Today, let's talk about Bill Gates. Do you know who he is? He's one of the most famous people in the world. He was the president of Microsoft, one of the most famous tech companies in the world. Microsoft is a company that makes software for computers. Next, let's talk about where Bill Gates is from and his childhood. Bill Gates is from the US. He was born in a state called Washington. Have you heard of Washington? Washington is in the northwest part of the US, right below Canada. I actually used to live in Washington for 4 years. I had a great time there. Bill Gates grew up in a family of five people. There was his mom, dad, big sister, little sister, and him. His dad was a lawyer, and his mom was a school teacher. When Bill was a kid, his favorite subject at school was math. He was very good at it. He also liked playing board games and reading science fiction books. When he was 13, he was introduced to computers at school. He really liked computers and used them all the time. Sometimes he got in trouble because he used them too much.